If you are a Twitch streamer or thinking about becoming one, you have probably wondered how to turn your passion into profit. Twitch is one of the most exciting platforms for creators in 2025, but making real money takes more than just hitting go live. The truth is, most streamers quit before they ever see a payout because they never learn how monetization really works. Today, we're going to fix that. This episode will walk you through the best ways to make money on Twitch right now. These strategies work whether you are brand new or already have an audience. First, let's talk about subscriptions. Once you become a Twitch affiliate or partner, you can enable channel subscriptions. Viewers can subscribe at different tiers and you earn a share of that revenue. This is one of the most consistent ways to earn because it builds recurring monthly income. Next is bits. Bits are Twitch's built-in tipping system. Viewers buy bits from Twitch and use them to cheer during your stream. Each bit you receive translates directly into money for you. Always thank your viewers for cheering because recognition encourages more support. Third, consider running ads. As an affiliate or partner, you earn money when Twitch shows ads on your channel. While ad revenue alone will not make you rich in the beginning, it's a nice addition when combined with other income sources. Fourth is sponsorships and brand deals. Companies in the gaming industry and beyond will pay you to feature their product or services on your stream. You do not need a massive audience to land sponsorships, but you do need a clear niche and engaged community. Fifth, create and sell your own merchandise. Use print-on-demand services to design shirts, hoodies, mugs, or stickers with your branding. Your community will love representing your channel, and you can fulfill orders without ever touching inventory. Six, repurpose your content. Upload highlights and clips to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. This not only grows your Twitch audience, but can also generate ad revenue and affiliate sales on those platforms. Finally, use affiliate links. Promote products you genuinely use on stream and share affiliate links with your audience. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The most successful Twitch streamers combine multiple income streams rather than relying on just one. Focus on building an engaging community first, then layer in these monetization methods as your audience grows. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment any questions about streaming that you have below. I will see you guys in the next video.